Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how you can delete your Instagram account in a couple seconds. What do you need to do this? To do this, you go to your Instagram. Now here you click on your profile. The most important thing that it was your profile, that you had access to it, and you can go to it now. That is that you have a username and password entered. You have entered your profile. Now here you click 3 bars, then click Setting and Private. Now here we select the item, Account Center, then click Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Select here the account that interests us. Here we now select Delete Account, and we can read what is meant by Delete Account. Click on the button, Continue. Now here we choose the reason why we want to delete the account. I choose the reason, click Continue. Once again click Continue. Now enter the password from our account. Click Continue, and then our Instagram account is deleted. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. Bye bye. That was Phone Support.